Research matters. How topics shape quality. Hello learners. Today, we are diving deep into the fascinating world of research. Specifically, we're going to discuss how the choice of a research topic can impact the quality of your research. Let's find out why this is crucial in academic writing and research. A research topic is essentially the subject or theme you decide to investigate. Think of it as the foundation stone of your research. Your entire study will revolve around this topic, from the questions you ask to the conclusions you draw. 1. Relevance. Your topic should relate to your field of study. If it doesn't have relevance, your research might not contribute valuable insights. 2. Originality. Is your topic something that has been over-researched? The more original your topic, the more unique your insights can be. 3. Feasibility. This relates to whether you have the resources and time to research the topic thoroughly. 1. Depth and breadth. A well-chosen topic allows for in-depth exploration, ensuring that your research covers the subject comprehensively. 2. Clarity. A clear and focused topic prevents your research from becoming too scattered or vague. 3. Contribution to the field. Selecting a meaningful topic ensures that your research adds value to academic discourse. 4. Audience engagement. A relevant and interesting topic will engage your target audience more effectively. Imagine starting with a vague or overly broad topic. Not only will your research process become muddled, but your conclusions might also lack precision. On the other hand, a sharp, well-defined topic can be like a compass, guiding your research towards insightful and impactful conclusions. In the realm of academic research, the topic you choose truly matters. It's the beacon that lights up your research journey. We hope this video has illuminated the significance of research topics and how they shape the quality of your work. Until next time, keep researching and keep learning.